again, grade 1. Today we are taking lesson 12.8, equal or unequal parts. Equal means they are the same size. Unequal means very good, different sizes. Maybe small, maybe big. Let's see. If I showed you this shape and this rectangle is divided into 4 smaller rectangles, are they equal rectangles? Use your eyes and observe. Yes, they are. Excellent. Now, in this shape, also 4 rectangles. Are they equal rectangles? No, unequal. Look at this very small rectangle and here a very big rectangle can show you that these are unequal parts. We can say unequal shares also. Because when you want to share with your friend, for example, a bar of chocolate, and you have this bar of chocolate and you're going to share with 3 friends, and then you came here and you split your chocolate bar into these pieces. This 1, 2, 3. And what is this tiny piece here? So are these equal parts? Of course not. Imagine if you give your friend this piece and your other friend took this piece. Are they going to be equally happy? No. One of them is going to be really happy. I took a big piece. And the second one is going to cry. You are not fair. You didn't give them equal parts. How can you give them equal parts? Cut with the lines into equal pieces. Each piece is the same size as the other pieces. Now open with me page number 713. Draw to show the parts. We want to split this square to show 2 triangles. And we remember the teacher said, if you want to split a square into triangles, you can go from corner to corner. And that will show you 2 equal parts. We call them halves, you remember? What if I wanted to show 3 triangles in the square? How can I divide the square into 3 triangles? Can I make 3 triangles that are equal? Let's see. If I draw the line and then I'm gonna split the triangle into 2 smaller triangles like this. Did I make 3 equal triangles? No, I made 3 triangles, but they are unequal. Why I didn't make it a longer line? Because I'm gonna make 4 triangles like this, and they said only 3. So when I made these 2 lines, I did split the square into 3 triangles, but they are unequal. Here they are equal triangles, equal parts, but here unequal triangles, unequal parts. Now open the next page. These show equal parts or equal shares. A square divided into equal rectangles, 2 equal rectangles or 4 equal rectangles. But here these show unequal parts or unequal shares. A very small rectangle and another bigger rectangle. And this square here is divided into 4 triangles. And this square here is divided into 4 parts, but they are of course unequal. How can you describe equal shares? Equal shares, they are the same sizes. Now, circle the shape that shows equal parts. Only the shapes that shows equal parts. In number 1, which shape shows equal parts? Which rectangle divided into 2 equal shares? Of course, the second one. Wonderful. Now in number 2, which square is divided into equal parts? The first one. Wonderful. And this one? No, not different. different sizes. In number 3, which circle is divided into equal parts? Wonderful, the first one. Now, in this question, careful, there is another question. Circle the shape that shows unequal parts. So this time we will circle the shapes which have or which shows unequal parts. Which circle shows unequal parts? Are they all equal? Well, these are of course equal, so I'm not gonna circle this one. Let's think about this one here. These two are equal, but these are not the same. So of course this one shows unequal parts. In number 5, the first one shows unequal parts, small and big. In number 6, again the first one, unequal parts. Now open the next page. Color the shapes that show unequal shares. Unequal. Now equal shares means the same as equal parts. Unequal shares means they have different sizes. They are unequal parts. So which shapes we should color? Let's look at the first one. Should we color this one? Yes, excellent. They are unequal. How about this one? You don't know? How about if I took for you the shapes and I showed you here? Can you compare now? Are they equal or unequal? Wonderful, unequal. So can we color it? Yes, we should color it. The next one. Equal, so don't color it. The last one here. Again equal, don't color it. Color only the unequal. In number 8, equal or unequal? Equal, don't color it. The square. Equal, don't color it. The rectangle. Unequal, wonderful, color it. Now the circle. Are they equal or unequal? You don't know? Let me show you. Is this part equal to this part? No, they are not equal, so color it. We color the unequal shares. Now in question number 9, color the shapes that show equal shares. Equal now. Wonderful, these are equal. The circle, it shows only one hole. It doesn't show any shares. It's not divided. So I'm not going to color the circle. How about this shape? Does it show equal shares? No, so we only color equal shares in this question. How about the last one? Yes, so color it. Very good. Question number 10. Equal, wonderful, color these now. No, not equal. They are not the same shapes. Don't color it. The circle. Equal, wonderful, color the last one, the rectangle. Unequal, don't color. Question number 11 and 12. Write the number of equal shares. How many equal shares in this shape? Wonderful, 2. How many equal shares in this square? 4 equal shares. When we have 2 equal shares, we say that this shape is divided in half or is cut in half. So it shows 2 halves. But when it's divided or cut into 4 equal parts or equal shares, we call one part of them a fourth. Yes, it looks like an ordering number, like the girl who's sitting in the 4th chair. Do you want to answer? She's sitting in the chair number 4. But here, because we have 4 parts that are equal, we're gonna call each part a fourth. And we're gonna take this lesson tomorrow. Now the last page. Draw lines to show the parts. In number 13, they want me to show 2 equal parts. Now, Be careful, they are equal. So I'm gonna draw a line exactly in the middle, like this, horizontally, to show two rectangles, or vertically to show again two rectangles, or corner to corner to show two triangles. You can choose whatever way you want. For me, I chose this way, cutting the square horizontally to show two rectangles. In number 14, they say two unequal parts. So they are unequal. Observe carefully. The question says unequal parts. So I'm not gonna cut it in half. I'm not gonna put the line in the middle. I'm gonna put it away like on one side to show a very small rectangle and another very long rectangle. Now in number 15, show 4 equal shares in the circle. Equal now. And they don't want only 2, so we're not gonna put one line like this, and like this you are showing halves. They want 4 equal shares. So we're gonna show fourth. Like this, cut it in half, and again in the other direction. Now number 16. They want 4 unequal shares in the square. Unequal. So we're gonna cut the square, not vertically corner to corner and horizontally corner to corner. Because if you cut it like this and like this, you're gonna make equal shares, and we want unequal shares. So we're going to make it weird. Like this first, and then away, we're gonna cut a small triangle. And again a small triangle. Now here we made a triangle, here a trapezoid, another trapezoid and a triangle. Different shapes, different sizes, of course they are unequal. Now the last question. Does the shape show equal shares? Each shape, choose for it yes or no. The first shape. A square that has 4 small squares inside. Are they equal? Yes, they are. Wonderful. How about this circle? No. How about the rectangle? No. Wonderful.